In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of tasks on ClickUp. Customizing your task colors is a great way to make your workspace easier to scan and understand at a glance. Maybe you want urgent tasks to stand out in red, completed work in green, or different colors for different stages of your workflow. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that using task status colors in ClickUp. First, open ClickUp and go to your list view where your tasks are displayed. Make sure you're in the correct space or folder where you actually want to change the status colors, because these settings will apply to that specific area. Now, move your mouse over the name of the relevant space or location on the left-hand side. When you hover over it, you'll see a small menu icon with 3 dots on the right. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to open the settings menu for that space. From that menu, look for the option labeled Task Statuses and click on it. This opens the panel where you can see all the statuses currently set up for that space, like To Do, In Progress, or Complete. This is where we'll change the colors. Next, find one of the statuses you want to customize. On the right side of that status, you'll see another set of 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots, and from the drop-down that appears, select Change Color. A color picker or palette will pop up. Now, click on the color you'd like to use for that status. You can choose something that stands out or matches the rest of your color coding system. Once you've selected the color, confirm it by clicking Apply Changes. You'll see that status update to the new color immediately. Repeat the same process for your other statuses. Click the 3 dots next to another status. Choose Change Color, select a different color, and then click Apply Changes again. Do this as many times as you need. Open the 3-dot menu, pick Change Color, choose the color you want, and apply the changes. When you're done updating individual statuses, look for the option to Apply Changes or Save Changes for the overall status's configuration. Click Apply Changes and then click Save Changes to confirm everything. This final save step ensures all your new colors are stored and applied across your tasks. Once that's done, your tasks in list view will now reflect these updated status colors,